This is Nest Thermostat from Google. It's a smart thermostat that saves you energy and money. Just plug in your schedule and it'll automatically adjust to when you're home and away, so your home isn't heating or cooling itself when you're not around. And when you're out, you can control the thermostat with the Google Home app. Or when you're home, just say, "Hey Google, lower the temperature." And that's how you can save energy and money with Nest Thermostat from Google.
How to install and set up your Nest Thermostat. Here's what's included in the box. Installation is simple. You'll log into the Google Home app, click the Add button, and follow the on-screen instructions. Go to your home's breaker box and turn off power to your heating and cooling system. Next, remove the front of your thermostat and take a picture of the wires with your phone so you can reference it if you need to. When you attach the base plate and connect the wires, make sure the connector button stays down. Remove the battery tab from the back of the display. Position the display with the Google logo right side up and push it onto the base until you hear a click. Next, turn the power back on. Follow the remaining steps to tell your thermostat a few more things about your system. To adjust the temperature, slide your finger up or down on the right side of the display. That's it. How to control your Nest Thermostat with the Google Home app. The Google Home app makes it easy to control your Nest Thermostat, even when you're not at home. You can adjust the temperature, change settings, see your energy dashboard, and more. To adjust your temperature, open the Google Home app and tap Thermostat. You'll see your current and target temperatures. The thermostat display on your screen will have an orange glow if it's in heat mode, or a blue glow if it's in cool mode. Depending on your system, you may see different options. To adjust the temperature, drag your finger along the dial on your screen. You can also tap plus and minus to increase or decrease the temperature a degree at a time. When you create a temperature preset, you can use them anytime for any activity or to save energy. To select a preset you've already set up, tap Temperature Presets and select the preset you'd like to use. The temperature presets you selected during setup can also be adjusted anytime to help save more energy or make your home more comfortable. Open the Google Home app and tap Thermostat. Tap Settings, Temperature Preferences, and then tap Temperature Presets. You can adjust any temperature preset or create your own preset. Comfort is the temperature setting for when you're home. Eco is the temperature you'd like to use when you're away. And Sleep is your preferred temperature while you're sleeping. Let's select Comfort. Depending on your system, you will see an option to set heating, cooling, or both. The leaf will let you know that you've set an energy-saving temperature. You can also create custom presets for temperatures you'd like to use if you're working in your office or cooking in the kitchen. Follow these same steps to adjust your temperature presets for Eco, Sleep, and create other customized presets. To switch between heat and cool, or to turn your system off, tap Mode. Then tap the mode you would like to turn on. You'll see different options depending on the type of equipment you've installed. When you want to keep your home at a specific temperature, tap Hold Temperature. Select the temperature you'd like to use, choose the length of time, and then press Start. You can also run your fan anytime you like. Tap Fan, then tap Set Fan Timer. You can run the fan for 15 minutes or up to 12 hours. That's it. To learn more, visit the Thermostat Help Center. How to check if the Nest Thermostat is compatible with your HVAC system. To see if your HVAC system is compatible with the Nest Thermostat, go to the Compatibility Checker on the Google Store. Select Nest Thermostat. Then select your country. At the Compatibility Checker main screen, tap Get Started. Then power off your HVAC system. and remove the cover from your thermostat. The checker will walk you through your wiring configuration to help you determine if your system is compatible. If it is, you're all set, and you'll see thermostat recommendations for your home. That's it. How to adjust the temperature and change modes on your Nest Thermostat display. Your thermostat display is motion sensitive and will wake up when you walk in front of it. You can also tap the right side of the thermostat to turn it on. When your display is on, you will see your current and target temperature and the mode your thermostat is using. To change the temperature, swipe the right side of the thermostat up or down to increase or decrease the temperature. Tap the right side of the thermostat to see the menu. You can also change your system mode from heating to cooling. Hold your temperature or turn your fan on. Swipe up or down to highlight the option you'd like to adjust. Then tap. To go back to a previous screen, swipe up to highlight back and tap. Follow these same steps to open any menu and select your options. To customize more options, go to the Google Home app and tap on your thermostat. How to improve energy savings with your Nest Thermostat. Nest thermostats are designed to help you set temperatures that keep you comfortable and can help save energy when you're home and away. Over time, it will continue to help you optimize your schedules. Here are some steps you can take to help reduce your energy use. When you set up your thermostat, you will see temperature preset suggestions. If you like the suggestions, you can accept them or customize the temperatures to your preferences. If you choose to use your phone's location with your thermostat, it can use this location to help determine if you're home. You can opt in during setup or add it later. When your thermostat knows no one's home, it can automatically switch to an energy-saving eco temperature. You'll just want to make sure to set up energy-efficient temperatures to prevent your home from wasting energy when you're not there. To change your eco temperature, open the Google Home app, then tap Thermostat. Tap Settings, Temperature Preferences, then Temperature Presets. Now select Eco. Adjust your heat and cool temperatures by increasing or decreasing the temperature until you see the Nest leaf. The leaf appears to let you know you've chosen a temperature that can help save energy. You can also try changing your temperature 1 degree. Then check the energy dashboard to see how much you saved compared to the previous month. The leaf is only a general guide, so you may save energy even if you choose an eco temperature that doesn't have a leaf. While your thermostat is designed to automatically switch to eco temperatures when you're away, you can also turn them on anytime to help save energy. Tap on Temperature Presets, then select Eco. That's it. To learn more, visit our Thermostat Help Center.